Hello everyone and welcome back to Let's Get Crafting. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss an update. Today we are going to make this beautiful welcome board. It's an Indian style welcome board. It's going to look very elegant on your door. So let's begin. This is the material that we're going to use. Few wooden embellishments, one 4x8 stencil, texture paste and few chalk paints, and mini wall decor base. The size of this base is 6 by 9.5 inches. So let's open it. Now the pot parts we'll be keeping it aside and first work on the main base. There are two pieces, one is the bigger one and one is small. We'll first start with the big one. We're going to paint the big base with orange color and the smaller one with the brown color. To save some time, I've kept the painted bases ready. So here's our orange base and here comes the brown base. Now colors are on y'all. If y'all want, y'all can change the color combination according to your choice. I'll keep the orange one aside for now and work on the brown one. I'm going to make this panel horizontally. Now it's time for stenciling. I'm using this Indian style stencil here. I'll just take a craft mat and my stencil brush. Okay, so we are going to stencil with two colors, that is the golden color and the white color. So here's the white color and the golden color. We'll just remove both the colors on the craft mat. We'll first start with the white color. First, I'm just arranging the stencil properly and make sure you don't move your stencil. Now, first two rows, I'm going to stencil it with the white color chalk paint. Like this. And the next two rows, we'll be doing it with a little tinge of gold. Just look at this, how beautiful it's looking. Make sure you don't move it. Now taking a little tinge of gold and I'll just remove the excess on my mat and we'll paint the other two rows. I am combining the dabbing and the round motion method of stenciling together. Blend it little with the white color as well. And just look at this. Can you see the difference? Now I'm going to realign my stencil properly and we are going to use gold color. Now I'm using a lot of gold color so that there is a tinge of dark color. So when I'll pick up the stencil, you all will see three colors: white, a mixture of white and golden, and dark golden. Just blending it out and just look at this. Can you see all the three colors? Now again I'll align my stencil and I'll give last two rows with the white chalk paint. So I'll just take a little more white chalk paint on my mat. In case you are not sure about the stenciling, what you can do is you can also mask your stencil with a masking tape so that the stencil doesn't move. Just we'll complete this last row. Yeah. So can you see how beautiful this is looking? If you want, you can stencil the entire base, but I'm just going to keep a little part plain only. So now let us move on to our embellishments. I'm using this hands embellishment and we'll use a Swagat sentiment as well. These two I'm going to paint with the gold chalk paint. If you wish, instead of the Swagat word, you can also use welcome, you can use namaste as per your choice. Keep it on the packaging and paint it so that I don't dirty my hands or my table. Once this is done, now I'll take the third embellishment, that is this wooden one. This is a are two layered, so I'll remove the first layer, and this bigger layer we'll paint it with the orange chalk paint. This I'll be giving it 2 coats of paint so that it looks bright and good. So this is the first layer. Once this is dried, I'll give the second layer to this. And this little part we'll paint it with the brown chalk paint. Once this is done, we'll take the parts of our pot. Now these are detachable ones, so I'll be using Fevicol and masking tape. Here if you notice, the sides of this, it should not be equal. That is wrong. You just flip it over. You should have some space at the end of the sides, as you can see here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first I'll arrange one part and just mask it up with the masking tape. So here we go with this one. I'll just take a piece of masking tape and stick it over here. Similar way I'll do to all the parts. This will take some time. Now I'll just put on the lid and add masking tape to it. What I do is I first mask my entire project. Then I remove one part and add Fevicol and stick it. So this way the entire pot is ready. Now I'll Fevicol it and then paint it with the brown chalk paint. Okay, so just to save some time, I've kept the painted part also ready here. So what I'm going to do now is at the front part I'm using the texture paste. I'll just take a palette knife. Using this, just take texture paste at the back side and dab it like this on your pot. This will give a textured crackled kind of effect to your pot. I'll just zoom in and show you all. Just look at this. Can you see the texture? Once this is dried, I'm going to paint this with the brown chalk paint. Make sure you completely paint it, don't leave any white spaces. Now I'll just let this dry. Till then we'll come back to our panel. Now I'm going to take the embellishments. So first we'll just place this one. I'm just arranging it first. I'll take the Namaste one and the Swagat as well. Okay, so first placing it. Now this is dried completely. It's time to enhance the texture. So I'm taking the gold chalk paint again and a dry brush, and I'll lightly just apply the paint all over the texture area. Can you see how beautiful this is looking? Simple yet elegant. So now I'll just place my pot. Yeah, like this also it's looking so beautiful. So it's time to stick it. You can use any adhesive. I'm using a Fevicol over here. You can also stick it horizontally, but I am liking it vertically. Once this is done, we'll stick the pot. I'm just removing the extra glue. Now it's time to stick this as well. First I'm sticking it horizontally, but I think we should go with the vertical one only. Yeah, the vertical is looking better for me. You can stick as you wish. And I'll stick this sentiment. And we are almost done. Let us come back to our orange base. Okay, so simply I'm just going to stick this entire panel on the orange base. Just adding that orange color behind is giving so much bright look to the entire project. Now it's optional. If you want, you can keep it without the orange base behind, or you can add the orange base. It's completely on you. I like it this way. So yes, our Swagat panel or the welcome board is all set and ready. You can simply add a bunch of plants or flowers over here in this pot. Thank you so much for watching. All the materials are available with us. You can check the description box below. Thank you.